Woke schools have taken yet another blow. It's almost a daily occurrence that wokeism slips a bit further into the grave. Stay tuned to learn how a teacher's First Amendment rights trump the school district's woke policies. Hi, I'm Dr. Ken Henry, and this is Conservative Commentary, where we spread the MAGA message. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you for a favor. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. This really helps us grow and get the MAGA message out. And hop over to youtube.com/@themagamessage and check out our other videos. Now, middle school English teacher Vivian Garrity, I'm butchering her name, was forced to resign because she didn't follow the Jackson Local School District in Ohio's social transition policies for students who express a gender identity different from their biological sex. Ms. Garrity objected to the policy on the basis of her religious beliefs, but the district insisted she either conform with the policy or resign. She resigned. In 1969, the Supreme Court of the United States handed down its ruling in Tinker v. Des Moines Independent School District. This is the case in which students wore black armbands to school to protest the Vietnam War. One key holding of the court in that case was that students do not lose their rights at the schoolhouse door. Now we're learning that neither do teachers. Ms. Garrity resigned from her teaching position but filed suit in federal court against the district on the basis that the district violated her First Amendment right to the free practice of her religion. The district settled the lawsuit this week for $450,000, plus Ms. Garrity's litigation costs and attorney fees. According to her attorney, Logan Spina, of the Alliance Defending Freedom law firm, these types of suits are popping up all around the country. For example, the West Point School Board in Virginia just settled a suit with former high school teacher Peter Vlaming for $575,000 plus his attorney fees after he was terminated for refusing to call a transgender student by their preferred pronouns. Check out this video from Fox News about another teacher in Virginia who is fighting the pronoun battle, and please share your thoughts in the comments.
Fox News speaking one-on-one, meanwhile, with the Alliance for Defending Freedom. That's a group representing Loudoun County teacher Tanner Cross, suspended for questioning his district's transgender student policies. Cross has been reinstated for now, but some say his case could end up before the U.S. Supreme Court. Jillian Turner's on that in D.C. Jillian, hello to you. Good morning.
Good morning, Bill. So he is a gym teacher, Tanner Cross, and he has now officially been reinstated at that Leesburg school where he teaches. The Alliance Defending Freedom tells Fox News just about 10 minutes ago. This is a huge victory for both freedom of speech and religious liberty. Take a listen.
And the First Amendment's very clear that teachers do have constitutional rights to free speech. Teachers do have the right to speak up on their own time on matters of public concern. And no teacher, no parent, no citizen should be punished by the government for exercising that freedom.
So Cross was placed on leave, then banned from school property after he spoke out in opposition to a new state policy. It requires teachers to address students by their preferred gender pronouns, regardless of their birth sex. And he says this entire case has been really one giant distraction from his actual job, which is teaching kids. Listen.
We're so happy about the results that the judge made, and we just really looking forward to get me back in the classroom doing what I do best, and that's making kids healthier and having fun.
So, Bill, the ADF and some legal experts I've been speaking to this morning here in Washington tells us this case might go all the way to the Supreme Court and really compel the justices to reframe the way that 1A is used now in the 21st century to protect educators in particular, an argument we haven't had in a while.
Well, thank you, Jillian. Nice to see you. Jillian.